So what are you doing, Evelyn?
I don't know. I'm cooking.
You're cooking markers?
Push buttons.
You're pushing the buttons?
I push the buttons.
You push the buttons?
Yeah.
What are you making?
Oh, days.
Oh.
Spaghetti.
Too hot.
It's too hot? You gotta be careful, you don't want to get burned.
No. You wash it. You wash it.
Yeah.
She's saying I need to wash the spaghetti.
Oh, you need to wash it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna wash it now?